Well, this is the Mason Farm Trail Road. Yeah, I don't even know if I can even get started. Oh, my shoes are not waterproof. Oh man, my feet are getting wet. Hey, did you see that water that I just crossed? We are at Mason Farm Biological Reserve, as you can see, and we're getting ready to go. Visitors are at your own risk. I do not have Bandit because it is pretty dang hot today and he's at the farm, so I'm leaving him at home. And here we go. Okay, we're at the fork, and it's really pretty forest. I'm going to go to the right. It's really wet here. Obviously, if the driveway in was flooded. So far, the trail is kind of an open field. In the sun. It's pretty hot out here, but it's not bad. The wind's blowing nicely. Lots of blackberries. Look, there's one. Ooh, sour. So this is 4.2 miles if we can get around the whole thing. If we can't, it's going to be a lot more than that because I'll turn around and come back. One thing I just thought about, I do not want to get caught in any rain, because that creek will rise. I know the videos don't do this justice, but it is so pretty here. These trees, some huge trees. I'm expecting to see a water snake. If I was a water snake, I wouldn't like this. This is just such a thick forest. Oh, here's the end of the line. not walking across it because it just keeps on going. Mosquitoes are telling me it's time to move. I wanted to give a shout out to my mom. Happy birthday, Mom. Barbara Mackey Shipman. Happy birthday. You're no dogs, okay. Well, I just didn't bring Bandit. Okay, I think this is the end of the trail. Oh, there's a deer. Can you see the deer? Film. That turtle is way up there. I bet there's a lot of leeches in there. Oh, there he is. Can you see the turtle? There's another one. Their spot. Goodbye, Mason Farm. Graves of Reverend James Mason, 1827 to 1893, and his wife Mary Elizabeth Mason, 1824 to 1894, and his 4 children.